Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain React Native Development Environment Setup. We'll dive into the essential steps for getting your React Native projects up and running efficiently. Visual Studio Code stands out as a top choice for many developers due to its robust features and extensive ecosystem. We'll compare two main pathways for starting your projects, helping you choose the best fit for your specific development goals and preferences. Understanding these options is crucial for a smooth workflow. First, let's look at setting up React Native using Expo CLI alongside Visual Studio Code. Expo provides a fantastic managed workflow, abstracting away many complex native configurations. You can get a project running in minutes, often with just a few commands. It's perfect for those who want to focus purely on JavaScript and React, enabling quick iterations and seamless testing on both iOS and Android devices without needing Xcode or Android Studio installed locally. This approach is excellent for beginners and rapid development. Next, we explore the React Native CLI setup, also integrated with Visual Studio Code. This method gives you complete control over the native aspects of your application. While it requires more initial setup, including installing Xcode for iOS and Android Studio for Android, it unlocks the full power of native modules. This approach is best for experienced developers or projects demanding highly customized native features, offering unparalleled flexibility and performance optimization. It's a powerful choice for complex, production-ready applications. So, which setup is right for you? If you prioritize speed, simplicity, and a managed workflow, Expo CLI is an excellent starting point, especially for new projects or rapid prototyping. However, if your project demands deep native integrations, custom modules, or specific platform features, the React Native CLI offers the necessary control. Both approaches leverage Visual Studio Code's powerful editing, debugging, and extension capabilities, ensuring a productive development experience regardless of your chosen path. Make your choice based on your project's unique requirements.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.